Apollo. The first 32-inch 4K Ultra HD touchscreen computer in the world. The 4K Ultra HD display and full laminated touchscreen be built with the foldable, flexible zero-gravity hinge for multi-angle vision from 15° to 95°. Apollo is created for people working professional. With the biggest touchscreen monitor, you can have the variety of data information on one screen. More than that, with the highly sensitive full touchscreen feature, it's best way to increase your productivity at work and give you more convenience in operation and viewing information or switch the vision quickly. Building with 4K Ultra HD IPS screen and NVIDIA 4G graphics card, it also is the best equipment for entertainment. Watching 4K online movie, YouTube, Netflix, Facebook Watch, iTunes, all the other online 4K movies. Also, it's perfect and flawless for Xbox games and all the 4K HD online games. Apollo also be created for the artists, designer working with the graphic application, the magic zero-gravity hinge and full-color 4K touchscreen. The artists and designer can easily adjust the panel in any angle and have full-color palette for hand-drawing, artistic creation on the screen. It is also perfect for 3D modeling, filmmaker as well as 3D vision. Apollo is available in 4 versions: 32 inches or 27 inches 4K Ultra HD touchscreen with NVIDIA 4G graphics card, plus 8th generation Intel-Core i7 CPU or i5 CPU for fitting your needs in different purposes. Apollo will bring you a whole new experience in business operation, artistic creation, and give you an amazing perception for entertainment. Please support us and enjoy your life with Apollo.